This video presents how we created a hydroponic garden to practice sustainable agriculture. The activity was implemented in November 2023 in the context of the Erasmus Plus project, STEAM for Sustainability, and was organized by the 3rd High School of Galatsi.
For starters, we note that hydroponic gardening involves growing plants without soil. All the nutrients a plant needs are provided through water. Hydroponic gardening is sustainable agriculture for the following reasons. It maximizes space as soil is not needed and vertical farming may be applied. It uses 20 times less water than conventional agriculture. It uses less pesticides as there are no soil-growing diseases. It is unaffected by weather conditions as technical microclimate is applied. It needs less labor to set up and maintain. It achieves faster plant growth and higher production. The hydroponic gardening procedure starts with acquiring the necessary materials. Consulting an agricultural engineer specializing in hydroponics, we acquired the following materials: polystyrene boxes, water pump, micro plants, hydroponic combo meter for pH, temperature, conductivity, and dissolved solids, LED grow light, cups or net pots, fertilizer including 5 key nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, water.
The hydroponic gardening procedure continues with its main part being the hydroponic setup in 7 steps. The first step was filling in the polystyrene boxes with water to use them as water reservoirs. The second step was to measure the water pH using the hydroponic combo meter, to ensure the pH optimal range for hydroponics between 5.5 and 6. The third step involved adding hydroponic nutrients to the water and measuring its conductivity. Using the hydroponic combo meter, we ensured its level between 8 and 9, indicating that there were enough fertilizers. The fourth step was to adjust the water pump in the water reservoirs and turn it on. Notably, the water pump is very important as it provides oxygen to plant roots. The fifth step was to drill holes in the cups to use them as pots, allowing plant roots to come out. The sixth step was to fix the micro plants in the pots and place them in the water reservoirs so that plant roots are in the water. The seventh step involved using LED grow lights to advance the plant's growth.
Subsequently, the hydroponic gardening procedure involved monitoring our hydroponic garden. Every 3 days we checked the water for pH and conductivity. We added water or nutrients if necessary. A month later, our plants have grown. We were anticipating that their growth would be faster, but the agricultural engineer explained that following an organic hydroponic procedure entails having the plants grow slower.
Nevertheless, practicing sustainable agriculture was a stimulating experience.